What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back with another video. Yeah, we are in the garage, and yes, you see Khrome right here. Hey, I told y'all I wasn't through with Khrome. I told y'all I have more stuff going on Khrome, and this boy gonna be fire. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Khrome, it's gonna be fire. Some people think it looks good now, and it runs great now. Man, I think it looks good. And it runs great. Hey, I haven't had any issues with this bike. But y'all, today, man, we got a nice little video for this bike. You can hear it popping because I've been riding it. You know, my wife began to ride with me a little bit more, and she rode with me to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I got flow pegs on here, and it wasn't comfortable for her at all. So, yeah, we're gonna put some floorboards on here today, y'all, and I'm gonna show you what's coming from Hogworkz right after this. Let's go.
Yeah, from the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Ain't got too many, my brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the three twisted sisters. What a ride!
All right, y'all, I got two pieces I want to show from Hogworkz, y'all. The first one's gonna be the floorboards. Y'all, these floorboards, y'all, the quality of these floorboards are awesome. I want to show them to you. Check out that. Heavy duty, man. They locks up everything, man. You can actually use your own floorboards that you want to use on the bike as well. It's got a little screw here to tighten, so you can tighten this up to get this a little bit tighter if they fall down or anything like that. And it's got a little Allen wrench right there, and it just got the two bolts right there. It's not going to be a hard installation at all. And when I say this is great heavy duty quality right here, great quality, I mean excellent weight on it. And like I say, if you want to change these out and still use your mounts, you just pull this rubber up right here. It's very easy to pull it up. I pulled it up earlier. And y'all make sure y'all check out Hogworkz, man. They've been in my corner for the last couple of years. I'm gonna show you the saddlebags that I have, the saddlebag liners. I'm gonna show you the cubby hole liners here. Great products that I've been using from Hogworkz, y'all. And this thing here, my wife is gonna love this, so she can kind of move her feet back and forth, because just having that piece in the middle of her foot, and her foot leaning back or forward, it just wasn't comfortable enough for her. And this gloss black gonna look real good with the bike as well. And maybe later on I might just change the footboards off and get the ones that match right here. But these things look so good. I mean, the quality is very heavy. It's very heavy. And it also comes with a sticker in there as well, like Hogworkz always do. They always stick something in there nice for you. They sent me this cap too right here as well, and it has the bolts that come with it, so you don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, so I mean, this gloss back is really nice, y'all. Very heavy and sturdy. And I want to show you another part that I've been having for a while that's going on the bike, but I'm not going to put it on now because I'm going to wait till after I put my cam on, and because I think it would be in the way where they take the muffler off, and I don't want to get it scratched. So October the 19th, this will be going in the shop and getting some more work done to it. I'll get my new cam in here. Like I say, I'm pulling up everything off the bottom down here, and that's where I got the lower chin spoiler that I told you that I'm going to put on the bike as well. All this is from Hogworkz, y'all. Look how they package their stuff. Just great quality stuff right here from Hogworkz. And they color match as well. And that's that denim black. Gonna go well with the bike. And it's gonna have a nice sporty look on it. And yeah, it's gonna look really good, y'all. I can't wait to get this on the bike. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and put the lures on. Like I say, I got the other parts that goes to this in the box, but I didn't want to pull all that out. But like I say, Hogworkz, great quality stuff. Make sure you go check them out. Use my discount code KellyB and get you, I think it's 5 or 10% off. So make sure you go check that out. I needed some floorboards on this bike really bad, y'all. So Hogworkz was nice enough. My dude Big Rob over there always take care of me. So make sure you go check out the website, hogworkz.com. I put a link down there and you go over there and use my discount. They have tour packs, they have lures, they have interference, they have everything over there you need. And like I said, I got a lot of Hogworkz stuff on the bike. My saddlebags, full saddlebags are Hogworkz, because when I put my new suspension on at one time, they gave me the wrong adapter and it cracked my saddlebag. So Hogworkz sent me more saddlebags out, great quality saddlebags as well. Like I say, I have the liners in here. I'm gonna show you the liners. There might be some junk in there, but I want to show it to you anyway. These are the liners right here. I got the red and black. Looks really nice. Got the pockets in here as well. And it just goes with the bike with all the red and black thing that I have going on the bike. So, and plus I have the liners in here as well. So I don't know if you can see that. Now you can see it. Got my little mustard packages in there so I won't cramp. But yeah, these are Hogworkz saddlebags and liners, man. And when I say great quality products, awesome quality products from Hogworkz. But y'all, we're gonna get these on. It won't be an installation video because like I said, you only got 2 screws to take off here. You got the screw here and you got the screw up on the bottom there. That's it. Make sure you use blue Loctite as well, because you use that, you ain't got to worry about nothing rattling off at all. So yeah, so we're gonna get to it and we're gonna get this part put on right here. Look at that part, y'all. Oh my God, I cannot wait to get this on and take my wife for a ride, because she began to ride with me a lot more on this bike, and she loved this bike. So yeah, and that's one reason I haven't got rid of this bike, because of her. So y'all, let's get these on. I'll show you what it look like when we get it on. All right, y'all, we're gonna use that 5/16 Arlen right here and just go in here and we're gonna take it loose, y'all. The bottom one's gonna be different, y'all. I'm surprised. I thought they was gonna be both the same, but it's different. So we're gonna go with on that one, on the bottom one. This is a 1/4 Arlen. Like I said, this is very easy and simple to put on. 2 bolts and that bar off. I'm gonna keep these because I can use these on the front if I need them on the front of the bike as well. But we're gonna use the blue Loctite and we're gonna get these boards put on. So just snug it up really nice, and I think you'll be okay. Very nice and easy. Look at that. I don't think you have to worry about that coming down, because like I say, you can adjust this screw right here up under here, make that tighter and make it more snug, but I don't think it'll need any more. If it does, I just have to tighten it up a little bit. So yo, let's get the other one on. All right, y'all, we got both of them on. Y'all, great quality product, man. I can't say that enough. All the Hogworkz products has been A1. Look at that. Just snap up. Look at that, it's 32, man. So the wifey should be well pleased with those. All right, y'all seen the product on the bike, man. And again, I want to thank Hogworkz for sending these over to me, and they look good on the bike already. Yeah, I really like them, man. Hogworkz, I appreciate you, Big Rob, for sending these over. Y'all make sure y'all go check out Hogworkz products, man. Hogworkz color match as well. I know some people didn't know that they color match. They got the lures for you. They got pretty much everything over there, man. I think they got carbon fiber parts for you. They got the lights for you. Go check out hogworkz.com, y'all, and you will see that you can redo your whole bike over there. I'm telling you. Like I said, I got the console on here too. I forgot to tell y'all this. I got the Hogworkz console on the bike in denim black. Yeah, so this bike is coming together, and like I say, I got the lower chin spoiler coming up, so y'all stay tuned for that next. I've been having that part for a while. Hogworkz have to forgive me because I got to get this cam put on. I've been having so much going on. When I get the cam put on, the lower chin spoiler going on, the lures are coming off, and I got a lot to move around because I got Ultracool and all that stuff on this bike. So I got to relocate all that too as well. But y'all, I can't wait to get the bike in the shop to get the cam put on this boy right here. Y'all, this is my first Harley, y'all. And a lot of you wondering why I didn't get a new Harley. I didn't see no sense of having 2 road glides in my garage at all. So that's why I went another route and got the Hook, because I feel like I got 2 great bikes, man. 2 great bikes, 2 great touring bikes who can hit the road at any time. Any one of these bikes can hit the road and do the miles for me. This bike has done it for me for a minute, y'all. When I say Milwaukee, Daytona, Knoxville, this bike, Oklahoma, everywhere else you want to think of, this bike has crossed some serious state line. So y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. I'm not gonna hold you that long, but man, again, to my big people, Hogworkz, make sure you go there, check them out, and make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. It will definitely help the channel grow. We're definitely growing. I really appreciate everyone, all the new subscribers, all the people that's been rocking with me from day one. And use my discount code Kelly B over there at Hogworkz if you need anything for your bike. They got the stuff for 2024, and I think they're carrying carbon fiber parts now too. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out of here. I love y'all. Until the next time, the next grind. Peace.
Hey. There's a rumble on the road, feel that thunder roll. Kelly B's coming through, taking back control. Chrome shining bright in the break of day. Leaning in the curves, just riding his way. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turn's another lesson learned.